Dear student, welcome to the next lecture on page replacement algorithm. In the previous lecture, you have already seen that when a page fault occur in the page table, then the desired page will be brings from logical address space to the physical memory and update the page table accordingly. So in the page table, prevent over allocation of memory by modifying page table service routine to include page replacement. And the second point is that page replacement completes separation between logical memory and physical memory. Large visual memory can be provided on a smaller physical memory because you have already know that the logical memory size is large as compared to the physical memory. In the virtual memory concept, you load only some part of the program that is required. So the logical memory and physical memory is logical memory and physical memory separates. These are two different concepts. And in virtual memory, we only load some part of your program on the smaller physical memory because this memory size physical memory size is small as compared to the logical memory, so doesn't need to load the entire phrases of the logical address space or logical memory on the physical memory. We only load some pages of logical memory onto the physical memory. This is the concept of virtual memory. See, the basic page replacement algorithm is that first find the location of desired page on the disk where your desired page exists on the disk. After that, find a free frame. Check the free frame in the physical memory. If there is a free frame, then use it. If there is no free frame, use a page replacement algorithm to select a victim frame. If all the frames are full, if physical memory is already full, then use a page replacement algorithm to select a victim frame. Which frame you will select based on page replacement algorithm to bring the desired page from logical address space to the physical memory. Read the third point is that read the desired page into the free frame, then accordingly update the page table and restart the process execution again. This is the This is the diagram of page replacement. First, CPU generate a request for a corresponding page. This page number, if CPU generate a page number, then first reference goes to the page table. If the bit corresponding to that page is valid bit, it means that that page exists in the physical memory. If the bit corresponding to that page number is invalid, means that page that does not exist in the physical memory, then 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 a trap signal is given to the operating system. Then operating system search for a page in the logical address space. The desired page will be brought from logical address space to the physical memory, and correspondingly we update the page table and again restart the process. This is the whole scenario of the virtual demand paging. Suppose here that if CPU generate a request for page number 4 does not exist in the physical memory because the bit correspond to that page number in the table is invalid. That's why the page it indicates that this I indicates that this page does not exist in the this frame number 0 does not exist in the physical memory. So if trap signal is given to the operating system search that page into the into the logical address space. This is the disk. The operating system search that page, required page onto the disk. The corresponding, if the memory is already filled, if whole memory is already filled, then you will apply a page replacement algorithm. Which page you will, which frame you will replace? Which page, if the physical memory is already filled, then which frame you will select for replacement? You will select that frame based on some page replacement algorithm. Then apply the page replacement algorithm and swap out that page to the logical address space and swap in the desired page into the physical memory. And accordingly, you update the page table and give a signal to the CPU to continue the execution. That is the whole scenario. Suppose page number 4 does, suppose page number 0 does not exist in the physical memory and memory is already filled. Then we apply the page replacement algorithm. Based on page replacement algorithm, we will swap one page to the logical address space and we will bring the desired page, means page number 0, to the physical memory. Accordingly we will update the page table, means it I becomes V, because the page because the page brought from logical address space to the physical memory. That's why this I will be set to V, because page comes in the swapping from logical address space to the physical memory. Accordingly, page table will be also updated. This is the whole scenario. So yeah, page replacement in algorithm, we want lowest page fault rate, and we evaluate a algorithm by running it on a particular string of memory references. Means you will apply it on a particular strings of pages or memory references and computing the number of page fault on that string. You will provide a reference string and then you will compute the number, how many number of page fault occurs on that string. It is the whole scenario. First algorithm is that FIFO page replacement, means first in first out. The page, the memory reference that enter in the initially empty frame will be out first. Means that page, the page that will be enter in the empty frame will be out first. This is the one, because the name is first in first out. The page that will be enter first in the empty frames, that frame will be out first. So we will apply so here, because evaluate algorithm by running it on a particular string of memory reference, that is reference string, and compute the number of page fault on that string. So apply the algorithm. Initially there are 3 empty frames: frame number 0, frame number 1, and frame number 2. First reference is 7. First reference, CPU generate a request for memory reference 7. So because initially all the frames are empty, so 7 comes here at first position. After that again, so a page fault occur. A page fault occur because previously 7 was not in the frames. So a page fault occur for memory reference 7, because previously it does not occur in the empty frames. So one page fault occur. Again memory reference is 0. It also does not exist in the empty frame. So again one page fault. Again go to here. Again request for memory reference 1. Again check here in the frames, because previously one does not exist in the frames. So again one frames. So again one page fault. Enter this in the frames. You can see that here at this position all the frames are completely filled in. No frames is empty, all frames are completely filled in. Again, a request for memory reference 2 occurs, but all frames are completely filled in. So apply the page replacement algorithm when all frames are filled in the physical memory. That's why, but the but we are applying here FIFO page replacement algorithm, means first in first out. Then which frame then which memory reference you will out? You will out the first memory reference that will enter in the empty frame. So 7 will be out. So at this position 2 will be enter. So again one page fault for 2, because previously 2 was not in the frames. That's why one page fault for 2. And again 0 comes, but 0 is already exist in the frames. So no page fault for 0. Again request for memory reference 3 occurs, but all the frames are completely filled in. So apply the FIFO page replacement algorithm. As FIFO replacement algorithm say that remove that page first that comes first. So so replace page number 2. So replace page number replace page number 0 because it comes before 2 and 1. So we will replace page number 0 with page number 3. Again one page fault for page number 3. And again the request for memory reference 0, but frames are already filled in here. So see here 2 3 1 already filled in. So 1 0 occur. Which page you will replace? You are applying FIFO page replacement algorithm. So which page, which memory reference comes first? Here 1 comes first before 2 and 3, because 3 comes recently. That's why, and 2 here, that page number 1 comes before 2 and 3 memory reference. That's why 1 will be replaced. So 0 comes here. So again page fault for page number 0. So again request for memory reference 4. But the frames are already filled in. So we will replace one page based on the FIFO page replacement algorithm. Which page you will replace? Which page you will replace? Apply the FIFO. 2 will be replaced because it comes before 3 and 0. That's why 2 will be replaced. So 2 will be replaced and 4 comes. So 4 comes. One page fault for page number 4. Again 2 comes here. 2 comes here. 2 does not previously occur in these frames. So, but the frames are already filled in. So which frame you will replace? Which frame you will replace? 3 will be replaced. So 2 comes here at the position of 3. And again page fault for 2. And again request for memory reference 3 comes. Which page you will replace? Apply the FIFO. In these frame 4, 2 and 0, which page comes first? 0 will comes before 2 and 4. 0 will comes before 2 and 3. So which frame you will replace? 0 will be replaced from 3. So again page fault for 3. Again the request for memory reference 0. Again the frames are already filled in. Which page you will replace? Apply the FIFO algorithm. Which page you will replace? 4 will be replaced from 0 because 4 comes before 2 and 3. So 4 will be replaced. Again request for 3, but 3 already exists in the frame. So no page fault for 3. Again 2. Again again 2, but this 2, but this 2 already exist in the frames. That's why no page fault for page number 2 or memory reference 2. Again 1 comes, but once does not previously exist in these frames 0, 2 and 3. That's why you will replace one page. Which frame you will replace? Which frame you will replace? See here. Which frame you will replace? Because the frame number 1 comes here, you will replace. Which frame you will replace? You will replace page number 2. Page number 2 will replace. So 1 comes here at the place of 2 and one page fault for 2 occur. Again 2 comes here. 2 comes here, but the frames are already filled. So replace one page. Page number 3 comes before 0 and 1. So page number 3 comes before 0 and 1. So it comes first. It comes first. So 3 will be replaced from 2. Again 0 occurs. No page fault for 0. No page fault for 1. Again 7 comes. Which page you will replace? 0 will be replaced because it comes first before 1 and 2. So you will replace 0 from 7. 7 1 2. Again one page fault for 7 and again 0 comes. Again replace page number 1 from 0. So again one page fault for 0. Again page number 1 replace 2 from 1. So again one page fault for 1. How many page fault in the how many page fault occur in the system? First, second, how many page fault occur? First page fault, second page fault, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. How many page fault? 14, 15, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 page fault occur in the system. Then what is the page fault rate? What is the page fault rate? Page fault rate equal to 15 upon 20. How many number of memory reference? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 17, 18, 19, 20. How many number of memory references? 20 memory references. How many page fault occurs in the system? 15. So what is the page fault rate? 15 upon 20. This is the page fault. In this way, we will find the page fault in the given system. This is the FIFO. This is the FIFO illustrating. This is the Bledy anomalies. We plot a graph between number of page fault versus number of frames. As you can see that at page, when the number of frames was 1, the number of page fault was 12. As we increase the number of frames, the number of page fault also decreases. See here, you are increasing the number of frames, the number of page fault decreases. But at this point, if you from this point, if you increase the number of frames, the number of page fault also increases. This phenomena is known as Bledy anomaly. What is Bledy anomaly? Bledy anomaly is that when we increase the number of frames, then instead of decreasing the number of page fault, the page fault increases. That phenomena is known as Bledy anomaly. See here. See here. See here. Now consider one example. Consider one example. See here. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. Take one example. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. initially 3 frames are available, 3 empty frames are available. First request for memory reference 1. So if 1 comes here, again request for 2, so 2 comes in frame number 2. Again request for memory reference 3. So request for 3 comes in frame number 3rd. Again 4 comes, you are applying here FIFO replacement algorithm. So page number 1, because this page comes first before 2 and 3, so 1 will be replaced from 4. Page number 4 will in comes at frame number 0, because at 1 will be replaced, because we are applying FIFO replacement algorithm. Again 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 the request for memory reference 1. So which page you will replace? Page number 2 will be replaced from 1. Again the request is for 2. One page fault occur. Again the request for 2. So which page you will replace? 3rd will be replaced from 2. Again one page fault for 2. Again 5. Which page you will replace? 4 will be replaced from 5. Again, so one page fault. Again 1 comes here, but 1 already exists in the frames, so no page fault for 1. Again 2, no page fault for 2, no page fault for 2. Again 3 comes, so 1 will be replaced from 3, 1 page fault. Again 4 comes, after 3 2 will be replaced. So which page you will replace? 2 will be replaced from 4, 1 page fault. Again request for memory reference 5. So previously no memory reference exists in the frames. So you are applying FIFO. Which page you will replace? Page number, because page number, which page you will replace? When a request for page number 5 occurs, which page you will replace? Page number 5 is already existing, so there is no page fault occur in the system. Count how many number of page fault? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many total page fault? 9. But initially the number of frames was available only 3. How many number of frames previously available? Only 3 frames. See here, only 3 empty frame. 1, 2, 3. But if you will increase the size of number of frames, previously it was 3 frames. Now we are taking 4 frames and applying the same algorithm, FIFO algorithm, on the given reference string. Apply here. 1 comes here, 2 comes at the frame number 0, 3 here, 4 here. After inserting 4, all the frames are completely filled in. Now the request for 1 occurs, but 1 already exists in the frames, so no page fault. Again 2 comes, already 2 occurs, no page fault. Again 5 comes, so 1 will be replaced, because 1 comes at first, so 1 will be replaced from 5, so 1 page fault occur. Again reference for 1 occurs, so you will replace 2 from 1. Again 1 page fault. Again 2 comes here, so 3 will be replaced from 2, 1 page fault. Again after 2, again 3 comes, so previously no 3 was in the frames, so apply the page replacement algorithm FIFO. So 4 will be replaced from 3. Again 4 comes, so we will replace 5 from 4, 1 page fault occur. Again 5 occurs, again 5 occurs, previously no 5, so 1 will be replaced from from 5. So one page fault occur for frame number 5. So see here, after increasing the number of frames from 3 to 4, and we are applying this P4 replacement algorithm on the same reference string, we can see that the total number of page fault is increasing. It becomes 10. In place of 9, it becomes 10. So Blady anomaly is that. So Blady anomaly is saying that this is the Blady anomaly. By increasing the number of frames to the process, the number of page faults should decrease, but instead they are increasing. This problem is known as 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 Blady anomaly. By increasing the number of frames to the process, the number of page faults would decrease, but instead they are increasing. This problem is called as Blady anomaly. This problem is called as Blady anomaly because you can see that you are applying the FIFO page replacement algorithm on the given string. When you are taking 3 frames, the number of page fault was 9. When you are taking 4 frames and applying the same P4 replacement algorithm on the same frame replacement on the same reference string, you are getting the number of page fault. You are getting the number of page fault 10. This is known as Blady anomaly. This is known as Blady anomaly. Now we will see the next page replacement algorithm that is known as LRU. What LRU says? What LRU says? Now we are seeing the next page replacement algorithm that is known as optimal page replacement algorithm. The optimal page replacement algorithm is saying that the optimal page replacement algorithm is saying that see here, in the event of page fault occur, replace the page which is not used for longest duration of time in future. If the page fault occur, then in the optimal page replacement algorithm, you will replace the page in the physical memory which is not used for longest duration of time in the future. Suppose take one example and apply the optimal page replacement algorithm on the given example. So take one example. This is the reference string 70120304230321201701. Initially the number of frames available are 4. 4 frames are available. The first request is for memory reference 7, but previously it was not in the frames. That's why one page fault for page number 7. Again 0 comes, but previously it was not in the frames. So again one page fault for 0. Again 1 comes, but previously it was not in the frames. So again one page fault for 1. Again 2 comes, previously it was not in the frames, so one page fault for 2. At this position you can see that all the frames are completely filled in. Now the request for 0 occurs. Which page you will replace when you are applying the optimal page replacement algorithm? Optimal page replacement algorithm says that replace the page which is not used for longest duration of time in future. So see here, 0 comes here. See all the memory references following 0 in the future, means you see all the memory references after 0 in the moving direction, in the forward direction. Check here, after 0 it comes 3, after 3 it comes 0, after 4, 4, 2, 3, 0, 3. See here, at the all the frames, all the pages, frame number 7, frame number 0, page number 1, page number 2 are existing in the frames. So which page you will replace? Page number 0 or page number 1, 0 or page number 1 or page number 2. Which page you will replace? The target is that from 0 you see all the pages in the moving direction and see which frame is not used for longest duration of time in future after page number 0. See here, 3 comes before, 3 comes here, 0 comes here, 0 first occur. After 0, this 0 comes, this 0 comes, but here 0, but for 0 no page fault because 0 already exists. Previously 0 already exists in the frame, so no page fault for 0. Again 3 comes here, 3 comes here. So all the frames are completely filled. Which page you will replace? The target is that after page number 3 you will see all the pages in the frames that are already in the frames in the moving direction from page number 3, which is not used for longest duration of time. So from page number 3, see all the pages which are already in the frame. Frame number 3, frame number 0, page number 1 and page number 2. Focus on these pages, and from page number 3 you see all the pages in the moving direction, in the forward direction from page number 3, and focus on all the pages. Which page is not used for longest duration of time? Page number 7 is not used for longest duration of time. That's why we will replace page number 7 from page number 3. Why page number 7 is replaced? Because from page number 3 we are seeing all the pages which are already in the frame. Which frame is not used for longest duration of time? This page number 7 is not used because page number 0 is used before 7, and page number 1 it used before page number 7, and again see page number 2 it also used before 7. So which page is not used for longest duration of time? That page is 7, because page number 0, page number 1 and page number 2, these pages are used before page number 7. So page number 7 is not used for longest duration of time. So we will replace page number 7 from page number 3. Again one page fault other from page number 3 because it was previously not existing in the corresponding frames. Again 0, again request for 0 occurs, but this 0 is already in the given frames. So the for 0 no page fault. Again request for 4 occurs, but these frames are already filled. This page you will replace. Again apply the optimal page replacement algorithm. and see after page number 4, see all the pages that are previously existing in the frames. Page number 3042, focus on these pages, and after 4, see all the pages which are already in the frames and see which is not used for longest duration of time. See here 2, see here, see here 2 is used, 2 is used, 2 is used recently. So after 4, 2 is used, so 2 will not replace, and again see 3 comes here, and again see 2, 3, again 0. After that 2, 3, 0, after that 1 comes. So which page you will replace? See all the pages. Pages is 3, 0, 1, 2 already existing in the frames. So in these pages, which page you will replace? Because 4 occurs. 4 does not exist previously in the frame because frames are already filled in. So after page number 4, see all the pages 2, 3, 0 and 2, 3, 0 and 1. Which page is not used for longest duration of time? Among 2, 3, 0 and 1. Page number 1 is not used for longest duration of time. That's why 1 is replaced from 2. Again one page fault occur for पेज नंबर 4. देखो ये जो है आपका यहाँ पे जो पेज नंबर 4 आया है, ये आया है तो यहाँ पे जो आपका फ्रेम्स है ये ऑलरेडी फिल्डेड है. किस कौन कौन सा पेज है? पेज नंबर 0 है, 3 है, 1 है और 2 है. इन्हीं चारों में से एक पेज को हटाना पड़ेगा क्योंकि ये पूरा फिल्डेड है. तो अब कौन सा पेज हम हटाएं? वो वाला पेज हटाएंगे जो कि लॉन्गेस्ट ड्यूरेशन ऑफ टाइम तक यूज नहीं हुआ है. तो अब क्या करेंगे? तो फोकस है इन्हीं चारों पेजेस में से हटाना है. 0, 3, 1 और 2 में से इन्हीं में से एक हटेगा. तो अब क्या किया? 4 के बाद सारे पेजेस को देखी. पेज नंबर 4 के बाद सारे पेजेस को देखी. 2 पहले ही आ गया है, इसके बाद 3 आया है, इसके बाद 0 आया है, सबसे लास्ट में कौन सा आ रहा है? 1. तो कौन सा रिप्लेस होगा? 1 वाला. 1 वाले को किससे रिप्लेस करते हैं? 4 से. तो एक पेज फॉल्ट अगर होगा किसके लिए? 4 के लिए. अगेन कौन आया? 2. बट 2 ऑलरेडी एग्जिस्ट इन द फ्रेम, सो नो पेज फॉल्ट फॉर 2. अब कौन सा आया? 3 आया. 3 ऑलरेडी एग्जिस्ट इन द फ्रेम, सो नो पेज फॉल्ट फॉर 3. अगेन कौन आ रहा है? 0. 0 ऑलरेडी एग्जिस्ट इन द फ्रेम, सो नो पेज फॉल्ट फॉर 0. अगेन 3 आया. 3 आया तो कोई पेज फॉल्ट होगा? नहीं होगा क्योंकि ये पहले से ही है. पेज फॉल्ट कब होता है? जब वो मेन मेमोरी के अंदर एग्जिस्ट नहीं करता है, वो ऑलरेडी है तो कहां से पेज फॉल्ट होगा? पेज मिल जाएगा उसको, तो नो पेज फॉल्ट. अगेन कौन आ गया? अगेन कौन सा आ रहा है? 2. 2 भी पहले से अगर हो रहा है तो नो पेज फॉल्ट फॉर 2. अब कौन आया? 1. अब देखिए 1 आया है ना, पहले से पेज देखिए, पहले से पेज कौन कौन से थे? 3 था, 0 था, 4 था और 2 था. क्या 1 था? नहीं था ना. तो 1 के लिए पेज फॉल्ट अगर हुआ, अब पेज फॉल्ट जब अगर होता है तो पेज रिप्लेसमेंट एल्गोरिथम अप्लाई करना पड़ता है. कौन सा पेज रिप्लेसमेंट एल्गोरिथम अप्लाई करेंगे? ऑप्टिमल पेज. ऑप्टिमल पेज क्या बोलता है? जो यहाँ पे आया है 1, उसके बाद वाला पेज देखिए, तो देखिए किसको रिप्लेस करेंगे? 3042 में से किसको रिप्लेस करेंगे? जो कि सबसे लॉन्गेस्ट ड्यूरेशन ऑफ टाइम तक फ्यूचर में ना यूज हुआ हो. तो ये देखिए